Expert ways to build your affiliate marketing strategy. Affiliate marketing is more popular than ever, and there are thousands of companies who want affiliate marketers to work with them. Popularity, however, brings with it competition, so it can be very hard to make a substantial amount of money as an affiliate marketer. This video includes some top tips to help you to get ahead and to start making some money. If you have a lot of followers on online social networking and microblogging services, then post about your affiliate product and include a link. Only do this if you think the product will be useful to your followers, as too many self-serving posts could cause you to lose your followers. Remember, every follower you have on a social networking site is a potential customer. Catering directly to a product's market is the best way an affiliate can make a sale. Since affiliates work off of sales commissions, there is an inclination to try to market the product to as large an audience as possible, but this is a failing formula. Stick with the niche market and promote the product strongly. When you are focusing on your affiliate marketing efforts, you should be building back links to the videos that you write that discuss the products that you offer. This will help them get better ranking from the search engines and attract more people who are looking specifically for information about that product. You don't have to limit yourself to just making one website, expand your profit potential. If you start to see success after your first website, then make another website and double your profit potential on a monthly basis. Plus, after you make your first website and go through all the procedures of getting into affiliate marketing, it should be easier to make another because you're already familiar with the process. Hopefully the tips in this video have increased your knowledge of the affiliate marketing world. Hopefully you read about some marketing strategies and techniques that you may not have been aware of. Now, make a task list and apply this newfound knowledge. You can be on your way to becoming a very successful affiliate marketer. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.